Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup wallet activity for Koinly using API connections. Complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your wallet activity for Koinly using API connections, begin by logging into your Koinly account. Navigate to the Wallets section from the main dashboard. Click on the Import button. Select the option for API. You will be presented with a list of supported exchanges and wallets. Choose your specific wallet or exchange from the list. If your wallet is not listed, check the wallet's official documentation for API access instructions. Follow the provided link to your wallet's API settings. Create a new API key by clicking on the relevant button or link in your wallet's settings. Ensure to configure the permissions for your API key as needed. Copy the API key along with the secret key, if applicable. Return to Koinly and paste the API key into the appropriate field. If your wallet requires a secret key, enter that into the designated field as well. Confirm the connection by clicking the Connect or Import button. Koinly will now start syncing your wallet activity. Allow a few moments for the data to complete the import process. Once complete, review your wallet transactions in your Koinly dashboard. You can now monitor, analyze, and generate reports based on your wallet activity. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in Koinly's Help Center. For added security, consider regularly checking and updating your API keys as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.